That one really is very powerful, as simple as it sounds, of looking for the good in where you are, even if it's an emotion or a situation you don't want to be. Because I think the fighting the perceived negativity is what's keeping everyone stuck. It really is. It's like, I shouldn't be feeling this. Or we read spiritual books and then we lose our temper, and there's a shame in that. My default inner chat is very harsh with myself. So to me, it's less about rewriting that voice to be positive and more about letting the real self step in. It's like the rays of the sun behind the clouds of mind chatter. So nothing in the book is about telling you to think particular thoughts. It's about sweeping thoughts clear and listening within. But it's also, and this is a big thing about it, the storm clouds are part of life. And I see the storm clouds and the negative thoughts and the resistance to thoughts as resistance training at the gym that evolves us. And if someone said to me, as people have, oh, well, no, that's wrong, negative thoughts are bad, I'd say, well, even if they were, one of the best ways to sweep them clear is to love them just as they are. You know, it's like love your enemies. The thoughts and the negative emotions we've made our enemies, and what we resist persists, and that's what keeps them stuck to us. Unconditional love is the answer, and that includes everything, not just the easy, nice things.